side. The lorry driver would then either go to the Eurotunnel terminal at Cocknell or to the ferry port in Zeebrugge, where the cargo would be placed.
Starting route to Barnier Road.
UK and collect.
Use the left lane to exit roundabout.
The refuses drivers. The driver will transport the trailer from Perthwick to a room.
At the roundabout.
The prosecutor reminded the court that behind all of the sensational headlines about immigration into the UK, human lives were being lost. Quote, it is a sad and unavoidable truth that would have claimed over £800,000 in total for 4 trips within a fortnight during October 2019. And Harrison denied knowing that there were 39 people inside the trailer, despite being seen on CCTV outside.
Simple, straightforward life. Like, you can sort of see why in this moment, normal and Norman and Norma is an appealing idea. Mm-hmm. Like, even though we can be kind of critical of it, I also think it's like I'm saying, it's kind of a... Yeah.
Completely transformed by the technological environment, so the capability to broadcast yourself, to use these new tools, makes it very different. In fact, to Alan's point, I think, never mind being famous for 15 minutes, I'd quite like to be anonymous for 15 minutes online. You know, that would be the joy these days. To Jeff's point, I'd say that it's a combination, that some material is commissioned because the people who make it want to make it and they think it should find it.
Last year in terms of structure, but the storyline is different, so you have to go and find all the elves around the city, and you have to figure out which toys they've stolen, and I think there's 19 different places for you to visit. Find them all, and then go to your own point, and you can get a little prize as your reward. So completely free for families to do over Christmas, which will be great for a lot of age.
And where does that start? Where can we pick up the map?
Okay, so
continue straight on.
They're beginning to see pests that they have not seen in a while. For those who are growing maize or corn, there's pests called fall armyworm that wasn't there before. So because the climate is warming, the rainfall is becoming less reliable. Due to climate change, we're beginning to see the levels between one extreme event to another extreme event is becoming